The Representation of People Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use and training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know about the Representation of People Act 1950, explain the historical background of RPA 1950. They will also be able to underline the salient features of Representation of People Act 1950. The Representation of People Act 1950. The Representation of People Act 1950 is an important legislation that deals with the electoral system. RPA 1950 makes provision before the actual elections and deals primarily with the preparation and maintenance of electoral rolls and the delimitation of constituencies. The Representation of People Acts were enacted by the Parliament under the power given by the Article 327 of the Constitution. Article 327 in the Constitution of India says, power of Parliament to make provision with respect to the election to the legislatures. Actually, RPS were taken from the United Kingdom. In the UK, the Representation of People Acts were used in 1832 as a collective title for legislation relating to representation of the people. RPS were adopted in other countries which were part of the British Empire through the spread of the Westminster parliamentary system. Because of the Article 324 of the Constitution, Election Commission of India was constituted, and its main function is superintendence, direction and control of entire process for conduct of elections to Parliament and legislature of every state and to the offices of President and Vice President of India. Article 327 has given power to the Parliament to enact laws related to election. Because of the power given under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted two acts related to elections. The Representation of People Act 1950 and the Representation of People Act 1951. The Representation of People Act 1950 is an act to provide the allocation of seats, the delimitation of constituencies for the election to the House of the People and the legislature of states, the qualifications and disqualification of electors at such elections, the preparation of electoral rolls, the manner of filling seats in the Council of States to be filled by the representatives of Union territories and matters connected therewith, the allocation of seats. The number of constituencies in Parliament and the state assemblies is adjusted according to the latest population figures to ensure that the number of Indians represented by an MP or an MLA remains roughly the same. The delimitation of constituencies. The delimitation of constituencies is an act or process of fixing limits or boundaries of territorial constituencies in a country or a province having a legislative body. The number of seats to be reserved in the House of the People and the state legislative assemblies shall be reworked out. Article 81(2) and 81(3), 82, 173, 330, 330A and 332 of Constitution of India are the guiding pillars for the delimitation. The electoral rolls. They are ordinarily known as voter list. Electoral roll is a list of persons registered as electors residing in a constituency. For proper management, electoral roll of a constituency is divided into several parts, which contain details of electors of the corresponding polling areas. The RP Act 1950 has undergone several amendments, around 33, till March 2025, since its enactment to address the evolving electoral requirements. The first amendment was done in the very first year 1950 and the latest amendment was done in the year 2021. The RB Act 1950 consists of 32 sections in 5 parts and 7 schedules. They are shown on the screen. Total 10 repealed sections in the RP Act 1950 are shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about the Representation of People Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.